In this video, I'm gonna show you how to let out the waistline for men or ladies pants for this design. Now, first measure how much you need to let it out. Then untuck these little two stitches. And now there is another little stitch that is holding the pants together, so we have to open that stitch as well. Be very careful, don't make holes on the fabric. Okay, so now we open, and as you see these little triangles, they are stuck too, so we have to untuck them as well. Okay, so now everything is ready to be sewn. So first, double check how much you have to let it out. Then take a chalk and then we'll mark how much we have to let it out. And I will mark exactly same amount up until this seam that shows the seat line. So let's say here is exactly how much we have to let it out. Mark up here as well. Make sure to measure with the ruler if you don't have experience, please. And from the seat line you have to go to the 0. So I will mark with a chalk so it will be easier for me to sew. And now we are ready to sew. So before we're gonna sew the seat, for easiest way is to pin exactly the seams. So look at the seams, match them so they will be equal, just like this, and then I will pinch them together so it will be easier for us to sew the straight line. The same thing I'm gonna do, matching all the seams for the better quality as well. And now we can sew. Remember, when you're starting to sew, you have to do the back stitch as well. Also, the important thing is choose the stitch number 3. It's not too small and it's not too wide. Okay, and now follow the line and sew all the way. Take your time, don't rush. You want a very smooth line. And back stitch, please don't forget. Alright, after our stitch is done, we have to open the original stitch. So take a seam ripper and very careful, cut the thread, and you will see how easy when you pull the running stitch is just unthread. Usually it's 2 stitches, so make sure you open both of them. Okay, and on a waistline usually you can do a double stitch, so we have to very careful undo all the thread And now, as you see, everything is ready. Now we have to sew everything back just as original. So the edges, as you see, unfolding just like a little triangle on diagonal. And then we will have to stitch it a little bit. Or you also can do by hand as well. We have to tag the other side as well. So open the seam and then fold the edge and then stitch it just a little bit. Now open the seam and fold it in a half. And like this. And we have to tag from one side and other side just like original by hand. You can also pin it. Make sure you not pin it together with the right side fabric. It have to be only allowance and the waist fabric. So just take a needle and you can just sew a couple times, make a knot, and it's good to go. And then make another knot, and we have to tag same thing on the other side as well. So our waist is ready for pressing. So for pressing, we have to press from inside. I'm gonna use my pillow. I'm gonna place it on it and make sure you open the seams and press it with the seam. Press it all the way where we start the stitch. And now you can turn to the right side and do exactly the same. As you see, the waistline is matching, so that means we did a quality work. Double check the seam. This not supposed to be, so we have to double check from inside and make sure our old stitch is open exactly where is connecting with our old stitch. And cut the thread so it will be a clean seam line. And now when we're gonna double check, as you see, the line is clean, so we can easily steam it, and our pants are ready. So this is how you let it out or taking in its same process the pants, and it looks just like original. Thank you so much for watching.